Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really exciting unboxing to show it to you guys, since I am looking for a pair of nice sneakers and I chanced upon the Marc Jacobs. So I was looking for something casual but at the same time something that I can exercise in, and so I ended up with the Jogger Marc Jacobs over here. So I can't wait to unbox it and show it to you guys. So yeah, let's get started. So let's unbox it together right now. I really love this box. This box actually at the side actually says something really interesting. The Marc Jacobs sports shoes are not manufactured for world champion athletes because we do not know the first thing about sports. Like, how cute is that? So let's open it up now. Inside you will see this pair of shoes that I bought, which is in this off-white color, and it's kind of heavy, and then when you take it out it actually looks like this. It's 70s inspired with the logo M at the side, and it's really lovely. So I'll show you guys the detail right now. So here's a close-up of the unboxing so you guys can get a better and clearer view of the shoe. So this is the pair of shoes that I gotten in size 39, off-white color. I have no idea why it's called off-white when it's more orangey, and it comes with a removable text as well that says the Jogger Marc Jacobs and the signature M at the side. And I just love that everywhere it has a Marc Jacobs logo that says the Jogger Marc Jacobs, which is super unique and I think it's super stylish as well. It actually comes in 3 colors: grey, orange and white. The lace is like 2 interchangeable lace up front color, and inside you can see the Jogger Marc Jacobs as well. So it's a really chic and fashionable like sports item, and I think I would just like love to wear it out and in the gym as well. So yeah, it's gonna be so unique. So yeah, it's literally a perfect fashion piece and I love it so much. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to style like this pair of sneakers and how it look like when I wear them on. So yeah, let's get right into it. So wearing it is super simple, just like any other sneakers. It's a bit tight at the front area, but I think if I wear it over time, it will loosen it up. And you can just tie it up like a simple ribbon, like rabbit knot or something, and just super stylish. I just love how it looks. It's super comfortable and it's not as heavy as it seems, and it's really light on feet, so I really love it. So thank you guys for watching it till the end. I hope you guys liked the video, and do let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about the Jogger Marc Jacobs shoes, and if you ever wear sneakers like that. So thank you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.